I'm Ryan Parker with Parker Home Renovations in New Braunfels, Texas, and today I'm going to teach you how to fix a binding door. There are several ways your door can be binding, actually. It could be because your hinge has come loose from the door jamb, and the way you'd want to fix that is you'd want a 3-inch screw and a screw gun, and where the door's binding. If it's binding at the top right corner, it's probably your top hinge. So you'll want to take out the middle screw on that hinge, and you'll want to drive the 3-inch screw into that place where you pulled that screw out, the middle hole in the top hinge, and drive it in and suck it up real good against the door jamb, and that should pull your door back straight, and it should not bind anymore in the top right corner. Now, if it is binding on the strike plate, what you can do is you can actually take your screw gun and you can take the strike plate off, and you can get a chisel and a hammer, and you can actually mortise out where that strike plate goes a little bit better until the strike plate sits better in the door jamb, and then you can screw it back into place, and that should fix your binding door on the strike plate. If you have any other questions, you can visit me at parkerhomerenovations.com.